here for Tita Becky's surprise retirement party. Hello. Hello. Mga bata, nalingang dula. Nalingaw sila dula. As Ian, atong organizer. Yung mga amiga ni Ate Becky. Ulat lang Miss Uban. We're waiting for the others. Hi, sir. Miss Ian. Lami kag-dress gam. Perfect. Bongga.
Thank you, Gang, for
Alert.
helping.
Alert. Video na ko. Video. Lingaw kay mga bata. Na-open. Ay, for baby Shannon.
Hi, Shannon.
Hi, vlog. Pang vlog. Vlog. Okay lang, Ma'am Ray. Mag-vlogs ako, guys. Hi. Surprise naman sa Ate Becky. We're waiting for Ate Becky. Moni? Anak ni Ma'am.
Pwede na siya mag-inom.
Surprise, happy retirement, ha, Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Surprise! Happy retirement, Ate Becky! Happy retirement! Yeah! Happy retirement, Ate Becky! Hello! Hi! Alay na! Ate Becky, alay na diri! Oh, Becky lang, Becky. Happy retirement, Becky! Yay! Oh.
Dala ko, pangbaon.
Wow! Galing sa pang bring a house. Oh, music. Yay! Happy retirement, Ate Becky. Picture. Ito, Bruce. Family. Wow!
I like this one.
Family picture. Kamu family. Yes ako. Hi! Food! Hi, ma'am! Hello po! Wow!
That's
Nice!
it?
Ha?
That's it?
Miguel. Jamie. Happy retirement! Mag-video ko sa vlog ha, vlog. Hi vlog.
I'm sorry, who's gonna take this?
We will answer it together. Check your own paper, gang. Is it correct? Check your own paper. Okay, let's welcome Tita Becky. Okay, let's see who knows Tita Becky. Who knows Tita Becky and will win a special prize.
A few days ago, what are you going to do with your retirement? I just go quietly. I don't want any, party or whatever. I don't want any. But this is really a surprise for me. And thank you for the love. Thank you for coming. I have friends, Chris, they're coming from Phoenix. Madeline, family coming from Phoenix, sila ni Ano galing from Tubas, and everyone who took time to come over here. Thank you very much. I will never forget this day. I will never forget this day. And listen to all the pictures because I put it together. Thank you. Thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you.
Wow! Very nice. Dance ya, Jiro. Dance. Jiro dance. Jiro dance. Go Jiro.